Ashley McCammon, instructor in the computerized machining program at the College of Technology at ISU. We are a 4-semester program, 2 years. We break those semesters up into 8-week sessions, so every 8 weeks you're getting a new aspect of the computerized machining program. In the program, we're going to take you by the hand and we're going to show you all of the aspects to the machining portions of it, whether that's in the theory classes, teaching you how to set up a lathe, or the math classes that we calculate our tool paths with, to writing actual G-code and the machining language that the CNCs need to be able to create those parts. Here at ISU, we're not training just operators, we're training full-blown machinists where they can go out into the laboratory, set up the machines, get the machine running, start making them chips, to going into the computer lab, programming those parts, putting efficient feeds and speeds to the parts where they're creating parts efficiently, being that CNC machinist, not just a person loading and unloading parts. 100% placement coming out of my program. Before you walk out the doors, there's somebody knocking at the door wanting to hire you.